Hey, CS2 players, enthusiasts, and wizards of the game, welcome back to our channel. And today's video, we're diving into the world of replays and how to access their controls. Whether you want to review your gameplay or capture epic moments, this guide has you covered. But before we dive into all of that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, replay controls in a first-person shooter game like Counter-Strike serves several important purposes. You know why? Because replay controls allows players to review their gameplay and analyze their performance. It's so valuable for identifying areas of improvement, understanding mistakes, and honing skills, and it can be a critical tool for players looking to become better at the game. And players and teams can use replay controls to review their strategies and tactics. So by watching the game from various perspectives, they can spot weaknesses in their approaches and develop more effective strategies for future matches. Learning opportunities like for new and inexperienced players can benefit greatly from replay controls. They can watch more experienced players to learn more advanced techniques, map knowledge, and especially here, replay controls enable players to capture their most exciting and memorable moments. It contributes to the creation of gaming content such as frag videos and highlights, which can be shared on social media or YouTube, and in turn can promote the game and esports community around it. Okay, so the how to bring up replay controls in CSC, if you may ask? Okay, there are plenty of ways to do that. First, all we gotta do is go to our Steam folder, go to a game, Steam apps game, and then go to CSGO, and then create a new folder that says replays. Okay, once you save on that, go to your Steam Deck profile. Once you are in your Steam Deck profile, go to games, and under games, you account information, go to our premier matches and load your games here. Since we don't have any matches recorded yet, but I just wanted to let you know that replay controls enable for esports event and competitive play are essential for referees nowadays, coaches and analysts to review and adjudicate disputes, ensure fair play, and provide post-match analysis. Okay, and it's fundamental part of the competitive gaming ecosystem nowadays because many players enjoy creating content for YouTube or Twitch. Replay controls allow content creators to capture and present gameplay moments from multiple angles, enhancing the quality and entertainment for their content. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, do not forget to give it a thumbs up by clicking that like button below. And I will see you in the next one. Yeah, before we go, matter of fact, I wanted to take a moment to express my gratitude to each and every one of you who has been part of our Easy Earl community. Your support means the world to us, and I can't thank you enough. See you in the next one.